Here's problem 15 from the 2018 AMC 8. In the diagram, a diameter of each of the two smaller circles is a radius of the larger circle. The two smaller circles have a combined area of 1 square unit. What is the area of the shaded region? The large circle minus the two smaller circles. In square units, the choices are 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1, and pi over 2. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's start by drawing the picture. Let the large circle have radius capital R. Inside it we place two smaller circles. And a diameter of each small circle equals a radius of the large circle. Since a full diameter of each small circle is capital R, the small circle's radius is half of that. So each small circle has radius R over 2. Now the area of one small circle is pi times R over 2 squared, which is pi R squared over 4. There are two of them, so together they make 2 times pi R squared over 4, which is pi R squared over 2. We're told this combined small area equals 1. So pi R squared over 2 equals 1. That tells us the large circle's area, pi R squared, is exactly 2. The shaded region is the large circle minus the two small circles, which is 2 minus 1. And that equals 1. So the area of the shaded region is 1, choice D.